I hear many people complain about the fact that they get nervous when they need to speak in public, and they believe that their nervousness is an obstacle to making impactful presentations. I do not agree. Firstly, nervousness is normal. I believe that even the most prolific public speakers experience some measure of nervousness each time they speak. I believe that some nervousness is good and required because it shows that you are excited about speaking in public and that you are desirous of delivering a good presentation or speech and impressing your audience. The other extreme will be overconfidence and complacency, which may lead to avoidable mistakes that may mar your presentation. So, my advice is to transform your nervousness into some positive energy that will ensure that you deliver the perfect punch. To do so, I recommend that you ensure that you devote as much time to the planning, practicing, and preparing for your presentation. In addition, if you are a person of faith, pray for the courage and focus to deliver a great presentation. And when you begin your presentation, put on a warm smile that gets your audience to connect and empathize with you and make you feel more relaxed as you go along.